The NASA DART, or Double Asteroid Redirection Test Mission, is a mission that was driven forward as a planetary defense test. More specifically, a test of kinetic impactor method of redirecting asteroids. The asteroid that NASA has selected is an asteroid that is what's dubbed a moonlet or smaller asteroid orbiting another asteroid. This asteroid was selected because of its size and path. The asteroid poses no threat to Earth, but will allow us to test if we would be able to use this method of redirection if there was a Earth-threatening asteroid. NASA believes this is a very important test because the asteroids that could destroy Earth. We believe we've only detected around 40% of them. So if one of the undetected asteroids was on a course to hit Earth, we would be able to redirect it. The asteroid selected was a binary near-Earth asteroid dubbed 658803. This asteroid was approximately 780 meters across, but the DART mission is targeting its moonlet, which is believed to be closer to the size of an asteroid that would pose more of a threat at around 160 meters across. The craft itself will use an onboard camera dubbed Draco to target the moonlet and hit it at 6.6 kilometers per second. This will not affect the orbit of the moonlet by much. Its velocity will change by about 1%. This is enough to change its orbital period by several minutes, which we will be able to detect with ground-based telescopes. The craft uses a xenon thruster powered by xenon gas and ROSAs, or roll-out solar arrays. DART's launch window opens on November 24th, 2021, and it will launch from Slick 4E at Vandenberg Air Force Base. After launch, it will coast for just under a year when it reaches the asteroid in September 2022, approximately 11 million kilometers from Earth. When DART reaches the asteroid will be nearing its close approach to Earth in October 2022. The asteroid selected for this mission is named Didymos, and its moonlet is called Dimorphos. Didymos is a XK class asteroid, which means that it is a transition between the X and the more rare K class asteroids. The X class asteroids are usually metallic and orbit in the inner solar system. The K class asteroids are fairly uncommon and are described as dull. The name comes from the Greek word for twin, since there are two asteroids. The asteroid that DART will actually be hitting is called Dimorphos. Dimorphos is in a retrograde orbit, meaning it orbits the opposite direction to the direction the main body rotates. The orbital period, or how long it takes the asteroid to complete one orbit, is 11.9 hours. Dimorphos is a decent-sized asteroid at 120 meters diameter, in comparison to the 780 meter diameter of Didymos. The orbit of the system is interesting as it passes both within a few million miles of Earth and Mars. At its close approach, the last closest approach it had with Earth was November of 2003. The orbit of the asteroid is an elliptical orbit with a perigee at around 1 AU, or the orbit of Earth, and the asteroid's apogee is around 2.3 AU. The orbit is also fairly tame, with an inclination of 3 degrees. As the mission progresses, we will keep you updated all the way up to impact.